Hey guys, what's up? It's Extreme 3D, and today I want to show you a cool project that I am working on. So, I have a lot of these old heat sinks from 3D printers because a lot of them have been going on the stepper motors to, keep them cool. And then I found this old PC CPU heatsink that I just had for some reason from AMD. And I have a bunch of these Thermoelectric Peltier coolers slash heaters. So I was experimenting a lot with these, and it's so cool. I was able to get temperatures down to like 5 degrees Fahrenheit or something like that. There's frost forming on it. I used this laser thermometer thingy, whatever you want to call it, to measure the temperature, and it was awesome. So here we actually have one. This is a different one. It was from a different company. I bought all of these in a pack, and then this one just came separately. It was like $2, and I wanted to test it out, but I think I ended up what's it called? I think I ended up ruining it by applying too much voltage to it. I used my desktop power supply, variable power supply. This thing is awesome. I did a review on this thing. Super cheap, very slim. You can see I have two of these books right here, and it is about the same width and the height. There you can get a perspective, I guess. It's pretty small. Voltage knobs, knobs for amps, and there's a ground terminal, then there's positive and negative. So really awesome. Awesome. So, anyways, this is just a really cool project. I have a bunch of different thermal pastes as well. I have this two-part thermal epoxy right here, and then I have a bunch of this super cheap compound, so it's easy to get really good contact in between the heat sink and the cooler. So this is actually a lot, but a lot of this is just that super cheap stuff, and then it doesn't really stick on, so I had to get that epoxy just to kind of keep it on, and it worked like a charm. This was epoxied on, but then I ended up breaking that Peltier cooler, I think, as well. Because I have once again applied too much voltage. But what I've been trying to experiment with is getting, so this would go on the hot side, and then I plug this in, or hook it up to the power supply, and then I would take this heatsink and put it on the cold side. So as long as I get enough heat dissipated from the hot side, then the other side will become much cooler. So that's why I'm able to get such low temperatures. And my goal was to create some sort of like mini fridge or like little AC cooler unit or whatever. I took some styrofoam and I attempted to do that, but sadly I failed at getting a cold environment. For some reason I couldn't get the cold air to just spread and fill a container or anything like that. So I'm still trying to figure that out. It would be awesome if you guys could help me in the comments down below if you know anything about this stuff. But I just wanted to give you that update. So far it's been so much fun working with these things. It's really cool, and this power supply has just made it super easy because I can get I can get the voltage correct, and I don't have to find an old AC to DC adapter and cut off the plug and just solder it to all my components. But this has worked really well so far, and I will be back with another update on this. Also, this is just the new setup for now. This is where I'm going to be working. I took that printer off and I put it away somewhere else because I needed more space to work with. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will be back again next week with a really cool update on the Pip-Boy project. So if you're excited, please leave a thumbs up down below, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!